Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading info man. Today this is not a daily price analysis. Today we will speak about the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. A really interesting chart picture. I will tell you what's going on with this, what can we wait, where are we, and what are these beautiful colors. We will speak all about this now in this. Yes, here we are. Guys, this is the Bitcoin rainbow price chart. It's a really interesting chart. You can see here a chart picture with the beginning of 2013 and now until the actual chart picture to 2022. And you can see a lot of nice colors here. And I will show you in this short video what's going on with this chart picture. What can we wait? Where are we? And so on and so on. First of all, we saw this halving. The halving was 2012. You can see it here. We saw a halving. After the halving, we saw a nice pump with the Bitcoin price. The next halving was 2016, 4 years later. Then we saw 2020, 4 years later, the next one, and a next pump to the upside. And we can see, yes, the next halving is 2024 in 2 years from here. So we are between two halvings for the moment. What can we see here? We can see a lot of nice colors, a rainbow. And the big question is, what do these colors mean, guys? And I will show you this now in this short update. First of all, we have here on the upside a nice description. You can see here on the left side, maximum bubble territory. This is the dark red color here. This is the color here on this side, on this place. And you can see here on this point, it was a maximum bubble territory. After this, we see here the sell. Seriously sell? Yes, that's the next color. That's the dark orange color. That's the next one from the upside. So first of all, the maximum bubble territory. And the next thing, sell. Seriously sell. Yes, that's the next color. And we saw after the halvings, we saw every time a big pump to the upside. First time we saw a pump to the upside over the maximum bubble territory. Second time we saw it directly in the bubble. The next color is the FOMO identifies. That's the orange one. Then the next one, is this a bubble? The next one, HODL, come on, HODL. This is the light green, this one here. Then still cheap, really cheap. Accumulate is the green one, buy the light blue, and basically a fire sale is the dark blue chart area here, or dark blue color area here on the downside of this chart picture here. So where are we now? This is the big question. Now let me show you this. We are here on this point. We are on a Bitcoin price about 38,000, and we are here in this thing. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Maybe I can show it to you better. So yes, this is better. So you can see we are fighting between two colorful areas for the moment. We are here still cheap, but we are fighting with still cheap and accumulate. And we are between these lines, and you can see we are perfectly, but really perfectly on this resistance between both of these lines. So guys, on the bigger time frame, this is a big, not a resistance, sorry, it's a support. It's a big support between still cheap and accumulate. And the big question is now, is this the point where we will go down to the basically a fire sale, or will we go up again back in the maximum bubble territory and after this down to the downside? That's one of the big questions in my opinion. And you can see that basically a fire sale is on 20,000. So a lot of guys are telling us, no, we will not go down under 20,000. I'm not telling you. I think 12,000 is also possible. Why not to spike down really hard? Not impossible. We saw it here, a big spike over the maximum bubble territory, but we fell down again. And after this, we fell down in the blue zone. In this one here, it was $250. Yes, guys, $250 per Bitcoin. It's hard, I know it. After this, we saw a long time a blue zone, then back up to the maximum bubble territory here to the upside, down again in the blue zone, up again. And now you can see we are reaching in this time zone now, not the red, not the maximum bubble territory. No, we are reaching only the FOMO color here on this point. So yes, of course, big question. Up again to the bubble territory, or down from here back in the blue one, or sideways and then down to the blue one. The next 2 years, yes, it's not impossible. It's not impossible, in my opinion, to see a long sideways action. you can see the bubble territory is on a price about 130,000 US dollar, from 1,200 here to this point to 19,000, and yes, now to 67,000. This was the Bitcoin price, and we are not reaching this bubble territory for the moment. If we will reach it here, 230,000 US dollar, these are really, really nice prices. But I think it's possible to see here an accumulation, and after this, a nice price to the upside. And guys, remember, the next halving is here on the basically a fire sale zone with 40,000 US dollar. So, okay, will we go down now to 22,000, or will we go up now in the maximum bubble territory? That's the big question. No one can tell you this one. No one can tell you the future, but you know now what is going on with the rainbow price chart. I hope you can understand my bad English sorry about this one, and I hope I can explain this to you so you can make your next trades with this nice rainbow chart in the background, and you can think about this one. Will we go up to the next color, or will we go down to the next color? We will check this in the next videos. I will make an update every day for Bitcoin, one in German, one in English, and we will check this with the rainbow price chart, what's going on in the next time. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours Biti, and remember this Bitcoin rainbow price chart in the bigger time frame. Bye, guys.
System activated.